Always reading. Always sleeping. This is jelly beans. I found it under the table. All right, this has been a great hotel or motel room. But it's time to move on. On to Missoula. Getting quite the collection of bugs on the windshield now.
Averages 43 inches of rain per year.
43, and here what it was 32? Oh, 15. Oh, that's a lot less.
And 3 inches of snow per year.
Yeah, that sounds about right for Portland. And here it was 32 inches, 39 inches of snow per year.
This stupid website that has this data, they've got a comfort index. And Missoula was 6.6 out of 10. And Portland is 7.2.
Wow, that's a lot of comfort.
That's 0.9 more comfort.
Wow, that's significant.
That's almost one whole comfort more than Missoula.
Is it sway fun? Getting a quick swim here in Missoula before we hit the road again. A life jacket? Yeah, let's do it. So how was that?
Good.
Did you have a fun swim?
Yes, you have to learn every surf.
You were practicing? Yep, you were practicing learning how to swim. What about you, Tel? Was that fun? What did you like? Did you like the green or the blue slide better?
Blue. The green one.
The blue one was not as fast, yeah.
The green one is really, really
It was scary. I did that one too. It was so fast.
I did it, and it was like just pitch black. And they told me to plug my nose, but I couldn't hold it. I went. And then I plugged my nose again, and then I went.
Oh my goodness.
My eyes and all my mouth stuff.
We have arrived in Helena, Montana. We are in the Capitol and we are visiting the Capitol building. Yeah, that's the most important thing. Yeah.
It looks very precise.
Precise tile work. Marble stairs.
You shocked me.
What did you say, Cherry?
This is an ancient castle.
An ancient castle. Yeah. Whoa. There's some statues up there. You need a what?
They got room for one more shred.
Oh yeah, get your bust ready.
Yeah. This might be my place.
It's your moment in history. Oh, that's a cool picture. Oh, you think Cinderella's gonna have her ball down there? Or Beauty and the Beast? Taylor's oldest time.
This looks more like Sleeping Beauty one.
As what?
The Sleeping Beauty one.
Oh.
Where the fairies.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Changing the color of the dress. Okay. Dad is beckoning us this way. Ooh, it's the Liberty Girl. Oh, please don't ring it.
Oh my goodness.
Up in there, you got all kinds of artwork.
It seems like it would bring such a pain to your neck.
Oh yeah. How was that again?
They're amazing. That marble that's going up in those giant pillars.
There he comes.
That's awesome. Food on a quad, dog on his lap. He doesn't wear a helmet, neither does the dog.
Wow. This is the Cathedral of St. Helena. The contractor is inspecting the handiwork. Stopping for dinner here in Helena, and then we'll make our very last leg of the journey to Livingston. We made it to
No
Livingston.
answer.
We're at our friend's house. We're so happy.
No answer.